What if I told you that a tiny, shiny insect, no bigger than your fingernail, could destroy entire gardens, farms, and ecosystems? Meet the Japanese beetle. Beautiful, destructive, and full of surprises. Here are 50 fascinating facts about this infamous insect. 1. The Japanese beetle's scientific name is Popillia japonica. 2. It's native to Japan, but it's not a major pest there. 3. It was accidentally introduced to the United States in 1916. 4. The first U.S. infestation was found in New Jersey. 5. Adult beetles are about half an inch long. 6. They have metallic green bodies with copper-colored wings. 7. Along their sides are small white hair tufts, a key identifier. 8. They belong to the scarab beetle family. 9. They're active mainly during warm summer months. 10. Despite their beauty, they're considered highly destructive pests. 11. Japanese beetles feed on over 300 plant species. 12. They love roses, grapes, apples, and linden trees. 13. Adults eat leaves, flowers, and fruit. 14. They skeletonize leaves, leaving only veins behind. 15. Large groups can completely defoliate plants. 16. They release pheromones to attract more beetles to a food source. 17. This leads to massive feeding clusters. 18. Their feeding weakens plants and makes them vulnerable to disease. 19. Crops and ornamental plants are both at risk. 20. Damage can cost agriculture millions of dollars annually. 21. Japanese beetles go through complete metamorphosis. 22. Their life stages: egg, larva, pupa, and adult. 23. Females lay eggs in soil during summer. 24. Eggs hatch into white grubs. 25. Grubs feed on grass roots underground. 26. This can destroy lawns and turf. 27. Grubs overwinter deep in the soil. 28. In spring, they move upward and resume feeding. 29. They pupate and emerge as adults in early summer. 30. Adults live for about 30 to 45 days. 31. Japanese beetles are strong flyers. 32. They can travel several miles in search of food. 33. They are most active on warm, sunny days. 34. They tend to feed in groups rather than alone. 35. Males compete for females during mating season. 36. A single female can lay up to 60 eggs. 37. They prefer moist soil for laying eggs. 38. Their shiny coloring may help deter some predators. 39. Birds, spiders, and some insects prey on them. 40. However, they have relatively few natural predators outside Japan. 41. Japanese beetles are considered invasive in many countries. 42. Controlling them is difficult due to their numbers. 43. Traps using pheromones are commonly used. 44. However, traps can sometimes attract more beetles than they catch. 45. Biological controls include parasitic wasps. Milky spore bacteria can kill beetle grubs. 47. Hand-picking beetles is effective for small infestations. 48. Early morning removal works best when they're less active. 49. Some plants are more resistant to beetle damage. 50. Managing them requires persistence and multiple strategies. So next time you see a shiny green beetle, remember, it might be more than just a pretty insect. If you enjoyed these facts, don't forget to like, subscribe, and share for more fascinating animal content.